probability. So we want to first understand the important terminologies in probability. So first of all, we have to define what is probability. So does anyone know like what probability like means? Like, does anyone have any idea like what does it mean by when I say probability? Yeah.
Like chance, like the chance of some event to occur.
Yeah, that's really good. Did you want to add something?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a very good definition, like a baseline definition, which is probability basically measures the chance, right? It's like chance of something occurring, right? So this is one definition, not one way you can think of probability. It turns out there is actually a more rigorous definition of probability. And basically another way you can think about probability is like, if this event that I'm considering happens over a very long time, like for example, let's say I'm flipping a coin, and I imagine flipping the coin 1,000,000 times. The probability would give us the long run average. In the long run, what is the proportion of the things that are going to happen? So basically, if I give an example, if I flip a coin, maybe it'll be more clear if I give an example. So if I flip a coin, I'm either going to flip a heads or I'm going to flip a tails, right? These are the two options. So if I flip the coin and I want to know what is the probability I get heads, are you guys familiar how to like do that? Do you guys know what is the probability that I flip a heads if I flip a coin?
50%.
Yeah, 50%, right? It's going to be 1/2 or 50%, right? So you can think of it as like the chance of you flipping heads. Another way you can think about it is if you were to flip this coin over and over and over again, like you flip it 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times, 1,000,000,000 times, in the very long run, on average, half of your coin flips are going to be heads. That's like another way you can think about probability. It represents like in the long run, what is going to be like the proportion of relative frequencies in the event outcomes. So first of all, does anyone have any questions about the definition of probability then?